Trade Caleb scooters real fast. All right, here goes Noah. See? No, Noah's the first.
Why can't you anymore? Just do it. I did it, champion.
We can have these little kids come over and show you guys how to do it.
Just go down. It isn't.
See? Now you know. Now it's not even scary, is it? Yeah, but now it's not even scary, right?
Once you start going, you're like, and then you get
Garrett, try dropping in from the skateboard.
Oh, dropping.
You just put the tail on it and then you just go right down.
It's hard to like stay on because the skateboard's not even that good. So
Yeah.
Walmart brand.
Okay, here goes Skater Joe. Do it on this one again, Caleb. Oh, he did it. He did it.
Now, Gary, it's you.
All right, bud. Try it again. Hurry.
Nope.
Caleb. Go do that one over there and jump off of it like that guy showed you.
Is this one steeper? Yeah.
They're the exact same.
Jonah, if you're gonna go, can you give it to me? I'm gonna go, Jonah.
All right, K-Bob, go.
Jonah. Are you gonna go?
Kev, he'll show you how to do it. Look. There. He just showed you. Okay. Hurry up. Hurry up. My camera's running out.